This bourbon garlic salt is amazing on grilled meats.
To a pot, add about 1 cup, around 240 milliliters of bourbon. Add in 3 large cloves of garlic that have been peeled. Then set the heat to high so that it starts to boil. We're looking to reduce this by half. The garlic flavor will infuse into the bourbon.
By cooking the bourbon, you're boiling out the alcohol content, so you really don't have to worry about alcohol in this salt.
Once the liquid has reduced, remove the garlic. Add 1 cup of flaky salt to a bowl. I'm using Maldon salt, and that weighs about 115 grams. Add your reduced bourbon to the salt. Stir it together until all of the bourbon has coated each piece of salt. Spread the salt evenly on a baking tray that's been lined with parchment paper. We want to be sure to get all of the moisture out of the salt so that it doesn't go rancid in the cupboard. And into the oven.
You'll want to bake this in a really low oven for about an hour so that it completely dehydrates. In fact, if you had a dehydrator, that's an even better option.
You'll want to make sure to set your oven at the lowest temperature possible. I'm leaving my oven door slightly ajar so that the moisture can come out of the oven and that salt can dry up nicely. At this stage, the salt will be pretty crispy and crunchy, so you'll want to break it up in your fingers. Store it in a jar and it will keep in your cupboard for ages.
YouTube thinks you're gonna love this video, so be sure to check it out. See you next time.